Replacement Windows Tailor is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. Our expert window contractors in Tailor provide top-notch window solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're interested in energy-efficient windows or custom windows, we have the perfect options for you. Energy-efficient replacement windows Tailor are a smart investment for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our vinyl window installation in Tailor ensures that your home remains insulated and stylish. Choose from a variety of window styles, including double-hung windows and casement windows, to suit your aesthetic preferences. For those seeking window replacement Tailor, our team offers comprehensive services, including window estimates and window quotes. We specialize in home window replacement in Tailor, ensuring a seamless transition from old to new. Our window experts in Taylor, Michigan are dedicated to providing high-quality window services that meet your expectations. Custom Windows Taylor, Michigan allow you to personalize your home with unique window designs. Our window contractors in Taylor are skilled in creating bespoke window solutions that reflect your style. From bay windows to sliding windows, we offer a wide range of window options to enhance your home's appearance. Window replacement. Tailor is essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Our window maintenance services in Tailor ensure that your windows remain in top condition. Whether you need window glass replacement or window frame repairs, our team is equipped to handle all your window repair needs. Bay Windows Taylor, Michigan add a touch of elegance and space to any room. Our window experts in Taylor, Michigan can help you select the perfect bay windows to complement your home's architecture. With our window upgrades in Taylor, Michigan, you can enjoy improved aesthetics and functionality. Casement windows. Taylor offer excellent ventilation and easy operation. Our window services in Taylor include the installation and maintenance of casement windows to ensure they perform optimally. Trust our window contractors in Taylor to deliver superior window solutions for your home. Sliding windows. Taylor are a popular choice for their sleek design and ease of use. Our window options in Taylor, Michigan include a variety of sliding window styles to match your home's decor. With our window designs in Taylor, you can achieve a modern and functional look for your residence. Residential windows. Taylor are a key element of any home improvement project. Our window services in Taylor cover everything from window installation to window maintenance. With our comprehensive window solutions in Taylor, Michigan, you can enjoy beautiful and efficient windows for years to come.